The rumors are true. Next week, Google will introduce its first foldable phone, the Pixel Fold, during the Google I/O 2023 event. Google hasn't revealed any specs for the device, but a brief teaser video shows off a full-size outer display on a phone that opens up similarity to Samsung Galaxy Z Fold devices. The camera bar on the back is similar to other Pixel devices but doesn't stick out as prominently, reflecting what we have seen in leaked marketing materials and even a hands-on video. CNBC reported in April that the Pixel Fold would be a 5.8-inch phone that folds out into a 7.6-inch tablet. It will reportedly include a Google Tensor G2 processor, weigh 10 ounces, and have the most durable hinge on a foldable, along with a price that's over $1,700 US. Samsung's latest foldable, the Z Fold 4, launched with a price of $1,799 US. We had expected to see it last year, but the Fold didn't make the cut for I/O in 2022, and rumors about its launch haven't slowed down in the years since Google has focused on teaching Android developers to make their apps work on foldable devices and larger screen, which may pay off next week with the launch of this device and new Pixel tablet. A page on the Google Store allows interested parties to sign up for more info once it's officially revealed on May 10th. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.